Hey guys, it's Sydney, your Sunny Health and Fitness trainer, and we are all about the cycle workouts this week. So I wanted to give you guys a few quick pointers to take your cycle workouts to the next level. So the first thing that you want to think about as you hop on your bike is your posture. So just like your mom always said, no slouching. So keep those shoulders up and back, and think about your lower back as well. You're going to want to keep your abs engaged as well as your glutes to really hold your upper body in a strong and sturdy position, almost as if you're in a plank. And the reason you want to stay strong and sturdy up top is we really want to minimize the rocking from side to side with your upper body. It's jarring and it's not necessary, and it takes away from your cycle. So try to hold your upper body strong and sturdy, good posture, and focus on just moving those legs. The next thing that you're going to want to think about is keeping those elbows slightly bent as you ride. This is going to reduce the strain on your shoulders as well as your hands. And it's really common to get, some stress and to feel a little pain in those wrists, especially when you hold your hands in the overhand position for too long. Now, if you can see right now, I'm holding my hands in the overhand position right now. This is a really common position and the one that most people use when they're riding. So if you want to switch it up, you can always switch into an arrow position. This position is great for, sprints or a little speed work, but it's also just great to relieve a little tension on your wrists. So if you ever need to do that, go ahead. Another one that you can do is go into an extended grip, which is really common to use as you're climbing. So one last thing to think about while you're climbing is, just like in the seated position, you're going to want to make sure that your upper body isn't, rocking from side to side. Minimize that as much as possible and just focus on moving those legs. Good luck with your workouts. I hope you have a great ride.